Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to look at the countdown timer feature on the Casio G-Shock GWM500A watch. We're going to start by pressing the mode button from our main timekeeping screen. You need to press this 4 times. That will get you to your countdown timer mode. You'll know you're in the right place because you're going to see TMR at the bottom here. Now you're going to see two different values. This bottom value is your start time of your countdown timer, and this middle value is your current duration of your countdown timer. 24 hours is the max you can set, and that's what we're looking at here. All zeros is 24 hours. To start the timer, you're going to press the bottom right button. That's going to be your start. You'll notice this little graphic up here goes down every 10 seconds, and then it will reset. Press it again to pause. Press it again to resume. And then when it is paused or stopped, you press the top right button. It will reset you back to your default, which you're seeing at the bottom here. I should mention you can leave the countdown timer running in the background. So I've got my countdown timer running, or press the mode button once, takes me back to my timekeeping mode. I'm doing my stuff. If the countdown timer was to go off, it goes off for 10 seconds. We would hear that. I could always press the mode button 4 times again to get back and see what my timer value is. So let's go ahead and let's stop it and reset it. So how do you change it from 24 hours? While you're in the countdown timer mode, we are going to press and hold the top left button. After a couple of seconds, you'll see a blinking indicator, which is your hour value. Again, 0 would be 0 hours. I can use the top right button to go down. I can use the bottom right button to go up. If I want to adjust my minutes, the lowest you can do is 1 minute timer. Again, when the minutes are blinking, I can adjust it accordingly. So now let's say we've got it set for 5 minutes. If I wanted to go back to my hours, I can use the mode button again. It's a simple toggle. When you're in the setting, mode is going to take you between hours and minutes. Once you've got it set correctly, press the top left button to confirm your changes, kick you out of your settings mode, and now we're back to our countdown timer. You can see my default value has been changed to 5 minutes. So now, when I start my countdown timer, it's going to start from 5 minutes. And if I stop and reset it, it will always reset back to the 5-minute default. And then as always, once you're done with this mode, you simply press mode button once, get you back to timekeeping, and that's how you use the countdown timer on the GWM500A watch. I hope the video helped.